My name is Mattias Harrysson, and I am from Sweden, and I'm a service technician for the foundry segment in Sweden. The most satisfying thing in my line of work is that there's a lot of variety involved in working. That you can be laying bricks one day, you be casting the next day, or you be in an entirely different country the next week and doing installations there, and you meet a lot of people. When I first started at Calderys, I had a mentor, so to speak, and all the other supervisors and technicians that had more experience than I did would take me under their wings, and we go out and they'll show me the ropes and I'll learn from that. And the more you spend time with people that have prior knowledge and experience, the more you're gonna gain. New skills that I picked up since I first started here are a variety of things, like how material works in different ways when you use them in different heats, for instance, how they contract and expand, and the importance of using a certain material for a backdrop and then harder and harder till you come for the material that's going to meet the cast metal, for instance.